I found today very stimulating and enjoyable as well. And I think the technology allowed it to work really well. So I like the breakout rooms. One maybe negative feedback was my expectations were that this was going to be more of a traditional course than a kind of group discussion. And so now I'm having to work out when I'm going to find the time to read over the materials in order to prepare for the exam. But that's just an expectation thing. It's not a hard criticism of the course. But the day was fantastic. Thank you.